Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back again to another video. And today's topic, it's going to be fairly simple, but yet a lot of you do the same mistake when it comes to this simple topic, which is buy low and sell high. Now, you might be thinking, like, obviously, I want to buy low and I want to sell high, but it's not as easy as you think, trust me. In today's video, I'm going to be basically trying to simplify the concept of buy low and sell high so that you guys can benefit from it and hopefully understand the concept a little bit better and how you can implement it into your trading and onto your charts. So without further ado, let's just jump into the charts and I'm going to break it down. All right, so guys, focus with me. Now, if you haven't seen my video about the Fibonacci retracement yesterday, I highly recommend you go see it because it's a game changer, trust me. It may be the only thing that's separating you from 50% win rate to a 70, even 80% win rate, and hopefully to your financial success and freedom. So, what do I mean by the concept of sell high and buy low, or buy low and sell high? The first things first, you need to identify your market structures, right? You need to identify market structure. And if you, the type that likes to do your drawings, you can simply draw your market structure so you know exactly where you are at all times with market structure. You could just copy me and do these simple few steps to kind of tell you what the hell is going on. So let's make it a bit thicker so it's more visible for you guys. So if you're the type that likes to draw your market structure like that to kind of know where you are at all times, go ahead and do. But for the video's sake, I'm going to try and keep the chart as clean as possible and that so that everyone can understand. Now, what do I mean by sell high and buy low? For example, we have a swing high right here, right? Grab your red triangle and mark this area up, something like along the lines, something like that, right? Boom. Now I know that this is a swing high, a high point in the market, which means it's also a supply. We have another area up here, and we have this mini area that actually failed. You can see how the market reacted to it a little bit, but then because we are very bullish on GJ, the market did retrace a little bit, but then buyers took control and broke it down to the upside. So how can you benefit from selling high and buying low? Now we've identified a few very swing highs in the market, and we know these areas are most likely to be supply areas, right? Because every time the market reaches that point, banks like to sell because this is an expensive price for them, so they like to sell it. So they sell it down, and then you can see how we had a massive drop every time we reach that area. So there we go. Now buying low, we need to identify a few demand area, which we have one right here. They loved this price and they bought it all the way up to there. We have another area right around here. You can see how it was supply and then it's switched to demand. Price came here, it was a swing high, so it was a supply. It's high, so we need to sell high. So you could have taken a sell after this wick, boom, 1 to 5, whatever the case may be. You would have made money selling from this point. However, market did end up breaking that and continuing all the way to the upside. So we have a little demand area here, and now this, because we're trading above this area, it's a demand area now. So if price comes back to it, we have market structure, boom, most likely they will buy it if they are happy to continue buying it, right? There's an area, then we have another area down here, and we have an area down here. Boom. Now these are the areas you want to buy from, right? And these are the areas you want to sell from. These swing highs. These swing highs you want to be selling from, and these swing lows you want to be buying from. Now this falls with market structure too. What do I mean by that? So let me give you an example on buying. So let's say we have this area right here, boom, right? Look what happened. Price comes back into that area and it's a low price. So we buy, boom, massive, massive push to the upside. Look, it's a high area, it's a sell area. Price reacted of the same area, supply, high price, we need to sell high and buy low. So we sell here and we buy here. We buy here and we sell here. Simple as that. So you don't have to do this on its own. You have to combine this with market structure. Now, this is the daily time frame. You can do the exact same thing on the 4-hour and on the hourly time frame. This is from yesterday's video. If you haven't seen my video about the Fibonacci game changer, highly recommend you go watch it. So let's see what we have here on the smaller time frame, right? Let's look at this. Price made a swing high, this area, and look what happened. Price tapped into that area and then plummeted. But look where we are now. We are at a market structure point slash support because we're trading above the price. Price retraced all the way down to our market structure point, as well as now it's a demand because it used to be a supply because we were under, right? So basically what happened here is price reacted to this area. Let me remove this here. So we made a swing high, we market that swing high, price goes back into that area, we sell. Look what happened. Price dropped literally from this point on, it dropped 44 pips. Tell me that's not a beautiful trade. 44 pips, I'm happy. I'll take 44 pips any day. Right? So there we go. Price came back again to that area. You can see the wick tapped into this region, which is now a demand slash support slash market structure point, and now price is trying to climb back up. It's just waiting for session to find its feet. We do have this area here, so this is a very strong area of confluence that we can take buys from here all the way up to here. So a long position could look something like this. Stop loss just below 28 pips. You have TP1 a 1 to 2.6, beautiful. TP2 1 to 3, and then TP3 a 1 to 5. Tell me this is not beautiful. Tell me this is not simple. So this is what I mean by buy low and sell high. Don't be buying price up here because you can see a lot of bullish momentum. No, wait for a retracement. You can't be buying price when it's, you know, oh, this bullish candle, it's massive, there's a lot of buyers in the market, it's ready to fly to the moon, and then you buy, and then look what happened, boom, hits your stop loss. No, we need to buy low because that's when they're gonna buy, right? They push price up, they trick everybody to then sell. Remember, for each transaction to occur, there have to be a buyer and a seller. I can't sell you something if you're not buying. So you have to be buying in order for me to sell you something, right? And that's the same concept here. When price is very low here, a lot of people are selling. They can see red candles. They're like confused. Oh my God, price is going to plummet all the way down. But then price is only retracing so that they, the banks and market makers, can buy it at a cheaper price, at a cheaper rate. So they bring price down, you start selling, and they start buying. And you keep repeating the same mistake, and that's how you guys are not profitable. You need to start thinking differently. You need to start thinking, okay, I'm gonna buy when it looks like it's a sell, and I'm gonna sell when it looks like it's a buy. Because trust me, let's look at this. Look at this, guys. Tell me this does not scream buys. Look at this fucking momentum candle on the 4-hour time frame. This is screaming, flying through to the roof. But then you let the market play out, and then boom, you bring price down. See, you don't want to be, you don't want to get trapped in these traps. So I hope this concept made any sense to you guys. Now, the reason why I highly recommended my Fibonacci video, because if you throw a fib from down here to up there, boom, look at that. You can easily take trades based off the market structure levels. So we can see we have a 61.8, we have a 78.6. So I would take a trade from, boom, from here. If price comes back and holds and finds support, stop loss depends where you want to put it, or even somewhere here if price finds support here, and stop loss just below the zone. And then you can target TP1, TP2, TP3. Boom. So I hope that made sense. If it didn't, please let me know in the comment section. I read them all. And if you want to trade live with me and with my Discord community, I will also leave a link down below in the description of the video. So make sure you guys come join us, trade live with us, and so on and so forth. I do send all my trades there, so there is that. So you gotta build a case. It's like you're a detective, and you need to build a case. So you look for clues to kind of build your case. So you look for confluences to build your trade idea. Now I know we are buying, so I wouldn't look for sells. I'll only look for buys. And the other way around, when the market is selling, I'll only look for supply areas / high areas in the market. Look at that. Bunch of wicks, swing high, price comes back into there, boom, sell, easy peasy. So yeah, guys, I help as many of you as I possibly can. If you enjoyed, if you like this content and you'd want me to keep posting these videos, do let me know by leaving a like on the video, commenting down below, share it with your friends, and yeah, make sure you're subscribed if you haven't already. And with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.